In China, 98% of people don't fasten their seatbelts in the back seat, resulting in thousands of deaths each year. In March 2017, a new law was passed penalizing backseat passengers for not belting up, but thousands continue to ignore it. So Didi, the largest one-stop transportation platform in China, wanted to help solve the problem. The concept of face is very important in Chinese culture. Face represents a person's reputation and feelings of prestige. People will do anything not to lose face. This inspired an idea. Introducing the Didi Smart Light. We fitted several taxis, including Didi Express and Premier cars, with our new taxi light, with an LED screen that shows an icon of a seatbelt. When the passengers belt up safely, the light shows the icon coming together. But passengers who don't fasten their belts will be obvious to passers-by. As well as the police, of course.
哎呦，真的不好意思啊！
那么多人看着我，就是没有安全意识，真的很不好。
原来是我没有系安全带，然后大家都看到了，这样呢，非常的丢面子，而且也很不安全。
As a result, more people are belting up in the back. And the project is now being rolled out across other cities in China. Fasten the rear seatbelt. Save your life and your face.